Good morning, hashtag We Gamma Math. We're just going to go over real quickly our highlights for this week and make sure we're all on the same page. Our hot items are we need to be registered by for PD on by Monday, October the 15th. The first grade level to register, which you can go to the email that Prado sent us, and you can scroll down and you can find exactly what you're going to be doing, meaning your previous protocol, as well as you can go in using this email to actually register for that day. So please make sure that you go in, and we're going to go all the way down to math, and you're going to find your math, and then you would register by clicking on that link, signing in to Eduphoria, which I've already registered. So once you get into Eduphoria, you just click the registration at the top, and then you will be good to go. So here you should register. So I registered for the fifth grade math. Okay. Also, I want you all to be thinking about updating your bulletins with student work, keeping your grades within 48 hours of completion. And let me tell you why this is so important. We have students that are potentially going to continue to not perform well, and if we don't put in interventions, or we have not tried to reach out to parents, or we have not made parents aware in a timely fashion, then technically, by law, they cannot be retained, nor should they be failed, because we do have to have that parent input at this age to ensure that they're on board to support us. So please, please, please make sure you stay on top of that. Oh, and I forgot to tell you, the first grade level to prove registration for PD, and that is your whole grade level. So that includes both your TA, relay grade, and yourself. They will earn a prize. So make sure you stay on top of that. Our data tracker is the following. You can also look at the board. I just want to really celebrate very quickly Mr. Williams. Woo, this is his data, but let me tell you what he has been doing. Mr. Williams has been partnering with me to go through his review before he sends it out to the students. We kind of spar, I add or take away. He tells me why this is important to be in there and what students are struggling with. So he's very intentional about setting his students up for success. And I know that some of you all are doing that, but I just wanted to shout out your partner. Also, you should have received from Arlise, yes, Arlise, he came by and he should have given you your passing rates. I just want to point out for everybody, SPED, we are now at 40%. So Ballard, we have a lot of work that we have to do. And everybody's levels, though they might be low for you because of what you did last year. You have to look at this from a diagonal perspective. So if I am in fifth grade, the reason why Preston's is 90% is because those fifth graders came performing at 86%. So now they are expected to be at 90%. And so just like here, even though Robinson might have scored higher than 71%, sixth grade is going with 64%. So now her targets are 71%. So pretty much, if everybody is doing their part, we should be pushing the next grade level up to do their best. So just think about that when you're looking at your targets. Your targets are diagonally placed. So if your teammate before you is knocking it out the park, then you can expect that yours is going to be expected to rise as well. So the next thing I want you all to do is to just kind of indulge in that. We're going to talk about it more on Monday, but I want you all to just kind of go over those because we will be looking at those every time we take a test to see where we land. Week 9 celebrations. Russo, she said, no, you're not going to have any non-SAPO celebrations on Friday. You're going to have a math group celebration because you have not been handling business. So shout out to Russo. I'm not expecting that of everybody, but I walked in expecting to speak to Russo, and a whole bunch of kids were in there on her off time. So I just wanted to point out that she is doing above and beyond to ensure that our students are meeting the bar. Also in Williams' class, we had Imagine Learning come out, and show us how to make it more effective for our students to use Think Through Math. So we'll be sharing, Preston and I will be leading a PD on that and sharing with you all how to increase it in your class. Week 10 and beyond, report cards go home this Wednesday. So your grades should have been put into Texas. We are going to be doing an audit on Monday, first thing in the morning. So please, please, please make sure that you have put your grades into Texas. The 15th, all O3s will be benchmark data analysis. If you don't come prepared, be prepared to be with me on Tuesday and Wednesday to ensure that you are prepared for Thursday and Friday. National Boss Day is Tuesday. Bring your $10. CPI training, the number has been reduced, so check to see if that's you. If not, I'll give you instructions for Thursday. Regional PD is going to be on the 19th. So again, make sure you go and email the first grade level to do that, receives a prize. And October the 22nd, we will have our ratings meeting. And I've already given you the sheet, but now we're going to go into detail. You can still check Whetstone. Your ratings are already in there. So go ahead and check Whetstone and get on top of that so you can come prepared with questions. Thank you, #Gamma Math. I'm sorry again for long notes, but we have a lot coming down the pipeline. Hopefully we can try to minimize this to about a 2-minute, 3-minute just overview. Enjoy your week. Oh, also I forgot, Spirit Week. Come, triples, doubles. The Tuesday is Spirit Day, and Wednesday is going to be our dance at 6 to 8. So check out for that. I'm going to try to send you reminders, but make sure you stay on top of that. I would love for some of our people to participate.